today I was just going to take you guys along with me on another grocery haul. I need to finish breakfast, and I may look a little rough because we've been working on the installing the insulation in the bonus room. So I'll probably take you guys to see what our progress is so far. But yeah, so I'm gonna swing you guys around, finish my breakfast, take you guys to see that, and then share with you the grocery haul. Alright guys, pardon the mess, we're still finishing up installing the insulation. So we've got it all along the walls here and over here. And then we got it installed on the side walls, ceilings. We just have to finish up there. But we're thinking we're going to get some straps to hold the ductwork up so it doesn't press down onto the insulation. So we've got to do that first. But yeah, so it's coming along. This area isn't going to be insulated because we're going to actually put in a door on both sides, because you can actually walk back there. Let me turn the light on. Oh, so as you can see, there's quite a bit of space back here for storing, and it's like that on both sides. So we'll eventually knock this down right here so that we can put in a full door instead of having a half door that you got to dunk down every time you want to go in there. Alright, that's basically it. So I'm going to head on to get the groceries now. See y'all guys in a little bit. Okay, you guys, I am back from Aldi, and let me show you what I picked up for the week. Alright, so we picked up 8 of the regular strawberry banana and just 2 of the Greek strawberry on the bottom. Got a 24 pack of water, a couple of paper towels, just some sandwich bread, some burger buns. I did end up changing the meal plan that I was making earlier, so I put burgers on the meal plan. We're out of flour tortillas, and those are always good to have on hand, so I picked up more of those. And then for produce, we picked up some Pink Ladies. I got 3 avocados, which I was excited to find because I was worried they would be out. A couple of Roma tomatoes, some mushrooms, just 1 cucumber, some grape tomatoes. They'll use that to dip into hummus. A thing of bananas, some baby carrots, also for hummus. Zucchini, I'll probably saute some of that up, and I also thought about making some vegetable beef soup, so I'll probably put some of that in the soup. Then we got some lettuce and some spinach. And then just a pack of sharp cheddar. We have plenty of cheese at home this week. Some of the herb chicken tortellini. We'll use this to make the green pasta. Got some Nutri-Grain bars. And And then marshmallow stars and berry kids crunch. And then some hummus. And then I picked up this pimento cheese. I love pimento cheese, but this is the zesty jalapeno, which I've never tried. And it was actually lower in carbs than regular pimento cheese, so I thought I'd give that a try. We only needed half a gallon of milk this week. Then I picked up some pesto for the green pasta, some pretzels for hummus, some orange peach mango juice. It's 100%, yeah. They don't carry Minute Maid at Aldi, so this is the next closest best thing. I needed some unsweetened almond milk. Picked up just some basic spaghetti sauce. They actually had frozen mixed veggies on sale for 50 cents a bag, so that's why I decided to do vegetable beef soup. Then we picked up some frozen fruit for smoothies, some heavy cream, which I'll use in my coffee or if I make me an iced coffee, but I'll also use it in the green pasta. A pizza. I've been wanting some lemon juice because I've been out for a while, so I can make me like a quick lemonade. A couple of cans of green beans. A can of my favorite tuna. A can of refried beans because those are always good to have on hand with the tortillas. You can make some quick bean and cheese quesadillas if you need to. Picked up some cookie dough ice cream, 2 things of eggs, and then 2.5 pounds of ground beef. Alright guys, so that is everything I picked up for the week. The total was $91, which seems a little higher than normal, but it was actually better than I was expecting. I was actually expecting it to be closer to about 120, so I was pleased with it being only $91. Okay, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.